Welcome, grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson, your science stars, right? Now, tell me, class, what was the topic that we were doing that we have already started in this unit? Yes, correct. The sun and the stars, right? We were doing this topic, the sun and the stars, and we are still doing the same topic, but there are different subtopics, small topics that we are covering in this unit, right? Now, let's have a warm-up session. Now, tell me, what are the activities that you do during the day? You play with your friends. So where do you play? You play outside or you play in the park. Okay. What else do? You play in the park. Then you go for riding your bike. Okay. Riding a bike. You go for riding your bicycle. All right. What else do you do? Yes, you do your homework. Correct. Very good. What else do you do at daytime? What are the activities that you do? You go out in the ground to play football. All right. What else? Sometimes you go for swimming. Okay. What else do you do at daytime? Sometimes you go to visit your relatives, but see, these days it is the COVID time, so we are avoiding to go somewhere to visit our family members, right? So we are not doing that. We are not going to visit our family members, right? But when you visit, you usually go at daytime, right? But you can also go at nighttime. Or what else do you do at daytime? You do reading, okay, you do writing, okay. Now tell me, what are the activities that you do at night? At night time, the main particular activities. You play indoor games, all right. What else do? You play with your cousins. You play, like you can say, you play Scrabble. This is an indoor game, and other indoor games. What else do you do? Yes, of course, you can do your homework at night time. Yes, most of you do your homework at night time, don't you? So you can do your homework at night time. Okay, what else? What else do you do? Can you do swimming at night time? No, unless and until you have your own swimming pool, then only you can do swimming, right? Can you ride a bicycle at night time? Not often. Sometimes you may ride, but not often. You can do that. And can you play football at night? No, you can't. Can you play outside with your friends at night time? No. And what was it? Can you go to school at night time? Of course not. So going to school is also a daytime activity. So these are the difference between the activities that you do at different parts of the day. Now what today we are going to learn? We are going to learn about daytime and nighttime objects. The objects which are there. Now the objects that we can see at during these times. Now I am showing you a picture of different objects. Can you name these objects, children? What are these objects? What is this? It's a picture of a moon, correct. And what is this? It's a picture of it's a rainbow. Very good. And what is this black thing here? It's a bat. It's a bird. It's a bat. What about this? It's a star. And what about this? This is a cloud. So these are different objects that we can see at daytime also, and some of them we can see them at nighttime as well. Okay. Now, okay, so these are some of the objects that you can see at daytime and nighttime both. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to write down them separately according to the time when we can easily see them. You may add some more objects that you think that you can see at daytime and nighttime. Are you all ready with me? Will you help me? Great. Let's go. Come on, let's write down. First of all, we are going to do the objects that we see at daytime. Okay? Alright. Now, what are the objects that you see at daytime from here? Can you see stars? No. So, what is this yellow thingy? It's a sun. Correct. Okay, sun is there. We see at daytime. What is this? Can you see clouds? Yes, you can see clouds at daytime. Okay, what else? A rainbow. Very good. You can see a rainbow at daytime. What else can you see at daytime? Sun, I have written clouds, I have written rainbow, I have written moon. No, you cannot see moon at daytime. What else? What else comes in your mind that is which is not here? What is there in the sky which flies all the time and which is always sits on the tree? What are those things? Those also you can see at daytime. What are those? Birds. Very good. Birds you can see at daytime. You can also see airplane at daytime, right? At daytime and nighttime both, right? So these were the things that objects that you see at daytime. Now let's come to nighttime. Okay, what are the objects from here? First, you can say stars, correct. What else? You can say moon, correct. Sorry, correct. Okay, what else is there? A bat, very good. Then what else? Clouds, you can see at night as well. What else? Okay. Now, there are some objects that you can see both at daytime and nighttime. Like you can see clouds at daytime as well as at nighttime. You can see birds also sometimes at daytime and nighttime they are sitting and sleeping on the trees. You can see airplanes also at daytime as well as at nighttime. Now, I want to tell you something, children, that the objects here that are stars and moon. Now, these objects are already present in the sky at daytime, but we cannot see them. They are invisible. We cannot see them at daytime. We can only see them at nighttime, although they are present in the sky at daytime, but we can only see them at nighttime. Do you understand? Okay. Now what you are going to do is in your notebooks, you are going to write down and draw the pictures of daytime objects and nighttime objects in the same way like we have done just now. So since it is writing, you have to write their names and you have to draw their pictures also. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes and your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Show me your pictures. Wow, that's great. You have drawn such a nice stars. Very good. Clouds are also there. Bat, very nice. So these are different objects that we can see at daytime and nighttime. And some objects, as I have told you, are already there, which we can see at both times. That is daytime also and night. And which objects are those? Those are clouds, which you can see at daytime as well as nighttime. Then there are birds, which you can see at daytime, nighttime. There is airplane that you can see at day and night both. So these were the activities that we were supposed to do today. That was our task of the day about daytime objects and nighttime objects. Now, I hope you must have understood this. Please keep revising whatever we are doing and do your homework yourself and keep watching the Edual videos. You see, there are loads of videos on different topics which really going to help you a lot. Okay, children, so keep doing that. Keep doing the homework. I'll be posting homework on portal. It will be related to the same topic, daytime and nighttime objects. Okay. All right, class. So see you later. Bye bye. Have a nice time.